Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best blank dice is probably one of the most versatile and customizable tools you can add to your tabletop gaming arsenal, offering endless possibilities for game masters and players alike to create unique experiences. Whether you're designing a new board game, crafting custom RPG mechanics, or simply looking for a way to personalize your favorite dice games, these blank dice provide a blank canvas for your imagination. They are perfect for those who want to go beyond the standard numbers and symbols, allowing for the creation of dice that perfectly fit the theme and rules of any game. Number 5. DIY Education Playing Game Dice, Set of 4. Introducing a set of 4 foam dice, designed for educational fun. They are lightweight, soft, and quiet, making them perfect for any learning environment. These dice are small and easy to carry, fitting perfectly for the whole class, small groups, or individual play. Their size makes them ideal for on-the-go learning. Use them to practice a wide range of skills, from math and ABCs to shapes and sentence combining. The possibilities for learning are endless with these versatile tools. Each die features a clear pocket on its 6 sides, allowing you to insert your own flashcards or photos. This makes them your very own customized pocket dice. These dice are great for family time, DIY projects, and stimulating children's talents and learning interests. Encourage creativity and a love for learning. Everything comes neatly packed in a resealable storage bag, ensuring easy cleanup and portability. Keep your learning tools organized and ready for the next adventure. What we like. This set is perfect for educational settings and young learners. Its soft, quiet foam makes it ideal for classroom use, and the pockets allow for easy customization with flashcards for subjects like math or ABCs. If you are a teacher or parent looking for a versatile and safe tool to make learning interactive and fun, you should consider this. What people say. The dice are well made and have a good weight to them. The blank faces allow for custom designs and creativity. They are perfect for games where you need to create your own symbols or numbers. Number 4. Blank white dice for board games, DIY, and teaching. Introducing a set of 48 blank white dice, perfect for board games, DIY projects, and educational purposes. These versatile dice are ready for your imagination. Customize them to create personalized blocks with letters, numbers, or puzzles. You can also use them for stamping or painting to design unique building blocks. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, these dice offer excellent impact strength and are stable under heat. They are also easy to color, making customization a breeze. These blocks can be easily colored with a gel pen or pencil. Simply wipe them clean with a paper towel for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice. Enjoy a safe crafting experience with these smoothly finished blocks, free from splinters. Their surfaces are perfect for drawing, painting, or applying glue. We are committed to providing you with prompt assistance. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated team is always here to help you. What we like. These dice offer great durability and reusability for creative projects. The smooth, splinter-free surface is perfect for coloring, stamping, or painting, and they can be easily wiped clean for repeated use. If you enjoy DIY crafts, personalized games, or need a reliable surface for educational activities that can be updated frequently, this is a great choice. What people say. The dice are well balanced and roll fairly. The blank dice are perfect for custom engraving or painting. They have a good weight and feel substantial in hand. Number 3. Gejoy Blank Acrylic Dice Set. Introducing our set of blank acrylic dice, perfect for all your creative projects. With a generous quantity and a vibrant array of colors, you'll have everything you need to get started. These dice are designed to be a blank canvas for your imagination. Draw, write, or create any design you can think of to make them truly your own. They are not just fun for board games, but also serve as excellent tools for educational purposes. Make learning an engaging and interactive experience for children. Each die is mini-sized for convenience and comes with a handy storage bag. Take them anywhere and play or create on the go. Crafted from durable acrylic with a smooth finish, these dice are built to last. They are easy to color and wipe clean, ensuring endless hours of reusable fun. This set is a fantastic gift for kids or a wonderful teaching aid for home and school. Spark joy and learning through play. What we like. With a generous quantity and a vibrant array of colors, this set is fantastic for both individual creativity and group activities. The acrylic material is durable and easy to customize, and the included storage bag makes them portable. If you need a bulk set for parties, classrooms, or simply want a colorful variety for your board game collection, this is an excellent option. What people say. The dice are well made and have a good weight to them. They are perfect for crafting and painting, as the surface is smooth and receptive to various mediums. The edges are sharp and well defined, which is great for a clean roll. Number 2. Shapenty 16mm White Acrylic Blank Dice Cubes. Unleash your imagination with these versatile white acrylic cubes. Their smooth, splinter-free surfaces are ready for your artistic touch. Ideal for craft-making sessions, these blocks are easy to draw on, paint, or glue. Create personalized alphabet blocks, numbers, or puzzle pieces. Design your own unique dice for board games or custom game prototyping. The possibilities are endless for your next game night. These cubes serve as wonderful keepsakes for special occasions or can be transformed into unique party favors. Add a personal touch to any event. Crafted from durable acrylic, these 16mm cubes are ready for your creative projects. Please note, they are not suitable for children under 12. What we like. These white acrylic cubes provide a clean canvas for a wide range of customization. Their smooth, splinter-free surface is perfect for drawing, painting, or applying stickers for unique game pieces or party favors. If you are looking for a uniform base for a specific theme, prototyping a game, or creating personalized keepsakes, these are ideal. What people say. The dice are well made and have a good weight to them. The blank faces allow for complete customization. They are perfect for creating custom games or educational tools. Number 1. White D6 Blank 16mm Dice Set with Stickers, 12. Introducing a set of 12 blank white dice, perfect for your creative projects. Each die is 16mm in size, offering a great canvas for customization. This set comes with a sheet of 77 blank white round stickers. You can design and apply these stickers to personalize each die. Unleash your imagination and create unique designs for your dice. The blank stickers allow for endless possibilities in customization. You'll have enough stickers to cover every side of the 12 dice included in the set. Plus, there are 5 extra stickers for any mistakes or additional designs. Get ready to make these dice truly your own. With blank dice and customizable stickers, the only limit is your creativity. What we like. This set offers a quick and easy way to create custom dice without needing to draw or paint directly on them. The included stickers allow for immediate personalization, making it perfect for spontaneous game nights or themed parties. If you want a hassle-free solution for creating unique dice for board games or events, this is the perfect set for you. What people say. The dice are well made and have a good weight to them. The blank faces allow for complete customization. They are perfect for creating custom game pieces or educational tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.